My dear students, today we are start the thermodynamics chapter in this crash course. My dear students, one or two questions are asked in crash course or in NEET exams in thermodynamics chapter. My dear students, we are discuss the important questions which are asked in previous 20 to 30 years in NEET exams, as well as we can discuss the concept, formulas, and how can solve these problems. What are the in these problems? What are the tricks are applied? So, my dear students, we can study the question number. First, we can start, and starting now, that is the question number 1. Here, my dear students, we can see here question number 1. Which of the following are not state functions? Q plus W, number 1. Number 2 is Q. Number 3 W. Number 4 H minus Ts. Now, my dear students, what are the concept and what are the concept of these questions? You know what are the state function. First of all, you know what are the state function. So here we can write here concept state functions. State functions, what are the definition of the state functions? My dear students, state functions or state variables are those which are not depends upon the path. My dear students, these are only depends upon initial and final state. Here, my dear students, state functions are those which are not depends upon this path. It's only depends upon initial and final states. So these are called, my dear students, state functions. Now we can see that which are the questions, which are the answer of this question. Now we can here see the second here Q. Q is a heat, and my dear students, here you can see the work. Q and heat, these are called path functions. So what are the path functions, my dear students? Path functions. Path functions are those variables which are depends upon path. Means these are not depends upon initial and final state. These are depends upon path. How can you can go? For example, my dear students, you can here see the number 1 is a Q heat. If you can walk the 1 kilometer, then you can consumption of heat in 1 kilometer Q1 and consumption of heat in 2 kilometer Q2. Q2 is greater than Q1, means it's depend upon kilometer, it depends upon path. So it is called heat is a path function, not a state function. Now we can see here W. W is the work, my dear students, and work, you know the work, when you done the work is done in 1 meter or 2 meter, then it is depends upon the path. So my dear students, your car is working, and you drive your car in 1 kilometer, then work is done in 1 kilometer, and this piston is work in 1 kilometer. That's why this is the depends upon the path. So work and heat is the example of path function. These are not example of state functions. So my dear students, question number 1, which is asked in 2008 NEET exams, you can go the answer B. B is the correct answer, question number 1. Now my dear students, we can see here question number 2. In a closed insulated container, a liquid is stirred with a paddle to increase the temperature. Which of the following is true? Here when you paddle to increase the temperature, it means, my dear students, paddle is done the work, and when paddle is done the work, you can, what is the concept and what is the formula? Concept and formula of this question. My dear students, formula is, you can see here delta U or delta, or you can see the first law of thermodynamics, that is Q barabar delta E plus W, because you can see here delta E barabar Q plus W and here Q barabar delta E plus W, because here system is closed. So in closed system, here system is insulated, closed and insulated. Closed and insulated system means, insulated means same as a thermos flask. Your thermos flask is the example of closed and insulated system. In this closed and insulated system, Q that equal to 0, because no heat is inside, no heat is coming and no heat is going from this system. So you can say that Q is equal to 0 for this insulated system, closed insulated system. And my dear students, pedal, here you can see the pedal to increase the temperature. It means pedal is work done. Pedal work is done on the system, because this is given by your question. So my dear students, that means W is not equal to 0, because work is done. When work is done on the system or by the system, it means W is not equal to 0, and hence internal energy of the system increases. Hence internal energy, because it is given by the increase the temperature, internal energy of the system increases. And my dear students, when internal energy of the system is increases, means delta E is not equal to 0. Why? Because delta is changed. When internal energy is changed, then change in delta E, it's a change in internal energy. It is also change, my dear students. So you can see here delta E, W, both are is not equal to 0 here in A option, and Q is equal to 0. So my dear students, you can, this is the formula, and we can see according to this question, a closed system, insulated container, a liquid is stirred with a paddle to increase the temperature. When temperature is increases, it means change in internal energy is done, and when paddle is work is done on the system, means W is not equal to 0, but it's a closed insulated, which is given in the in this question. So my dear students, Q is equal to 0. So you can see here your answer is A. Question number 2 answer is A, and this question is also asked in 2002. Now my dear students, here we can see the question number 3. Which of the following is correct equations? Here my dear students, we can, what are the formula of this question? Generally we can see that delta E barabar Q plus W. Delta E is equal to Q plus W, and here you can see in NCERT book, here delta E is also represented by delta U, that equal to Q plus W. When my dear students, you can see here, this is that Q. What is the Q? Q is the heat given to the system. Heat given to the system. That's why Q is the plus Q. And this is the plus W, my dear students. It means work done on the system. On the system. When work done by the system, that then my dear students, it's a minus W. Minus W means work done by the system. So my dear students, here work done by the system minus W, plus W work done on the system, plus Q heat given to the system, and here you can see minus Q means heat, this heat given out from the system, and When heat given out from the system, it means minus Q. So, my dear students, formula is the first law of thermodynamics, and you can see what is the formula in this. Question number 3rd, you can see here delta U that equal to Q minus W. It may be a correct equations. Why? Here this is the plus Q means heat given to the system, and minus W means work done by the system. When heat given to the system and work done by the system, then you can see the correct option is B, question number 3rd. This question is also asked in 1996 exams, and these are the formula and theory and concept. Because, my dear students, formula is this one. These are the theory and these are the theory and concept. Plus Q for given heat given to the system means in system heat is increases. So, here plus Q. When you have a system, closed system, and you can give the Q heat. So, heat of the system is increases internally. So, plus Q is, we can get the plus Q sign. And, my dear students, when heat is given out to the system, then you can get here minus Q sign. When work is done on the system, then it is plus W, and work done by the system, it is called minus W. So, my dear students, you can see here question number 3rd answer is B.